Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Ohm's Law. Our objective is to be able to describe how the resistance of a wire influences the flow of electrons. So resistance is how hard it is for electrons in a wire to flow. Resistance is based on how much current you get from applying an amount of voltage or potential difference. If you push the electrons harder, so there are more, there's a greater potential difference, then that means that more current should flow, but the resistance will slow it down. And it's measured in ohms, which is the Greek letter omega. So Ohm's law is R is equal to V over I. This is in the reference table. It's also V equals IR. This is just manipulating it to solve for V. This is the graph. So if it's an ohmic material, it will be a straight line. If it obeys Ohm's law, the line will be straight. And that means that the resistance will not change. Okay, so that means that the slope is equal to the resistance. If the material heats up, it will have more resistance and the slope will steepen, and it'll no longer obey Ohm's law. So what happens to the resistance as the potential difference increases? If the potential difference increases, so does the current, and the ratio stays the same and the resistance is unaffected. So the potential difference is proportional to the current, so an increase in potential difference and the current will increase, it'll increase the current, so there'll be more pressure and it'll increase the flow of electrons. The current is proportional to 1 over R, so as the current goes up, the resistance will go down. So in a simple circuit, this is just an example. A 24 ohm resistor is connected across a 6-volt battery. What is the current in the circuit? So we know that we have a resistor of 24 ohms and the potential difference is equal to 6 volts. What is the current? And we know that resistance is equal to V over I. This is in the reference table. And if we solve for current, we'll say times I for both sides. So then IR is equal to V. Divide that by resistance. And we get V over R is equal to I. And that's going to be 6 volts divided by 24 ohms, and that's equal to point. I'm going to make this a little bit better. And that's equal to 0.25 amperes. Thank you.